how to buy stuff on Shein with Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be discussing whether or not it is possible for us to buy stuff on Shein app with our Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So you have Shein e-commerce site, and then you have your Cash App, which is a payment app. When you shop on the site or the app, maybe you want to actually pay with Cash App rather than using PayPal or credit or debit card. Well, let me tell you this. You cannot just go ahead and then use Cash App on Shein. Now that's not upon me, that's upon the Shein, because Shein and Cash App has not currently been working together to make this matter possible. Now to give you an idea, there is still an indirect way to do this, but for that, first of all, let me open up Cash App before I get into the video. And then let me also open the Shein app here, and meanwhile when I open the Shein app over here, I'll just go to my cart. As you can see, my cart icon from the top right. And then here you have this little button that says we accept. So it basically a forms of payments that they accept on Shein. So if I just tap the we accept button over here, it's going to basically take us to this page where it says payment method. So what do they accept? Let's see. They accept PayPal, they accept credit or debit card, or they accept online bank transfer. So the bottom line is this: there is no Cash App on the list. And what do you do in this case? Well, there is still one thing you can do. Either you can choose to transfer from Cash App to your bank, and then you can pay with your bank here, or either you can choose to transfer from Cash App over to your debit or credit card or your bank account, then you can pay with those cards here, or either you can choose to transfer from Cash App to PayPal, which again is not possible, by the way. So Cash App and PayPal transfer isn't possible at the moment, but it is possible to your bank. So you can just transfer the money to your bank and then pay with your bank on the Shein app, because in a direct way, Cash App and Shein has not yet been working together at the moment. So hope this video helped you clear the confusion. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.